Simplicity. Today we will learn how to take an input in Python. So in most of our programs, what we do is we ask the user that please enter. We ask the user to please enter a value for us, right? Like enter the first number, enter the second number, so we can calculate the sum of the two variables like this. So how to take that input in Python? So in other languages like C, C++, Java, you may have encountered the syntax. But in Python, it is as simple as the name of the topic. So you just have to use this keyword, which is input. So let's take a variable A, or we have taken A multiple times. Let it be num. Num equals to, we are going to write input, and then we are going to write enter a number or something like that. I'll just erase this part so it becomes easier to understand. Yeah. Okay, here we'll write enter a number. Okay, so what will happen? A memory location will be created with the name of num, and whatever the user will give, it will be put inside this memory location with the help of this keyword. Now, let's say the user gave 5. Now, will this 5 be stored as a number? As I said that in Python, you don't have to mention the data type while assigning a variable. But when the user is giving any value, over here, can you see, except the variable name and over here in this like double inverted commas number, there is no, mentioning of any number. So how is the computer able to understand that whatever we are taking is a number or a string? Because when the user will give, okay, the user can even give 5 as a string, right? Or it can give 5 as a number. So there will be a confusion, right? Now to solve this confusion, what we will do is, for taking an input, we have to explicitly mention that this will be a number input. So this is a wrong way of taking input of a number. Okay. If we want to take an input of a number, what we will do is write num. Then we will write int. The type, you can even write float. Okay. And then we will use the keyword input. Okay, within the bracket. So yeah, I'll just explain what happens. Let me just write here on numbers. Okay, so what happens is, we know this is the general statement for, or yeah, you can change this particular sentence. You can write anything. Enter your name, enter your number, whatever. Okay, enter the first number, enter the balance, enter the principal, whatever you want to edit, you can edit within the double quotations. Now this input and then this line is the basics of taking input. Now this whole thing, whatever the user is giving, for example, the user is giving 5. Now this 5 is actually treated as a string. After that, what will happen? It will be typecasted into int explicitly, as we have mentioned. And then an integer 5 will be stored in the num. Okay. So this is the process. So I hope you understood. And till then, let's meet in the next video. Do follow and share with your friends. Support the channel. Thank you so much.